In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Quora. Adding a clickable link to your Quora post is a great way to share extra resources, direct people to articles, or reference your own work in a clean, professional way. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to turn ordinary text into a hyperlink inside a Quora post. First, open your browser and go to the Quora homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can create content. Once you're on your home dashboard, you'll see a field at the top of your feed that says something along the lines of, "What do you want to ask or share?" This is where new content starts on Quora. Just below that field, look for the option that says Post or Ask. In this case, we're focusing on adding a link to a post, so click on Post. That will open up a new window or panel where you can write your content. Click into the main text field and start writing your post as you normally would. Take a moment to write a complete, clear sentence or paragraph where the link will make sense. It's usually best to have a descriptive phrase that you want to turn into a hyperlink, rather than pasting a long, messy URL directly into the post. Once your text is in place, look for the formatting toolbar. You'll see an icon that looks like two capital A's side by side. Click on this double A icon to open the text formatting options. This is where Quora lets you change how your text appears, and it's also where you'll find the tool for adding a link. Next, use your mouse or trackpad to highlight the specific word or phrase that you want to become clickable. This highlighted text will be what readers see and click on, so choose something clear, like the title of an article or the name of a website. With the text highlighted, look for the chain icon in the formatting options. This icon represents a link. Click on the chain icon, and a small field will appear where you can enter a URL. Paste the full web address you want to link to into that field. Double check that the URL is correct and complete, including the beginning of the address. When you're happy with your post and your new hyperlink, go ahead and click on Post. Quora will publish your content, and the text you highlighted will now appear as a clickable link. View your post to confirm the link works, and you're done.